Hey guys, today we are going to problem solve with equations. When two fractions are equal to each other, we call them a proportion. We solve a proportion by cross multiplying and then solving the equation. So reminders, when working on word problems, you're going to start with identifying what you're trying to answer. You may want to underline or highlight the question. This will help you with defining your variable. Define your variables. That makes it difficult to create an equation when you don't know what you're looking for. Underline and highlight key important information in the problem. This will help you create the equation. Then once you have the equation, you're going to solve the equation. And then the last step, number 5, you're going to write your answer in sentence form. And this will help you remember to use the units on your answer. So the example that we're looking at today is this problem about Angela, and she rented a car for $30 a day plus a one-time insurance cost of $7. Her bill was $277. For how many days did she rent the car? Define your variables. Well, first of all, it says step 1, start by identifying what you're trying to answer. You may want to underline or highlight the question. The question says, for how many days did she rent the car? That's telling you how to define your variable. Step 2 is to define your variable. So x equals the number of days. Next, we're going to write an equation to fit the problem. So Angela rented a car for $30 a day. A day. X is the number of days. So $30 a day, that's where your X is going to go, because it's talking about the number of days. Plus, there's your plus sign, a one-time insurance cost of $7. Her total bill was $277. So if you're trying to find total, you're going to add, and this is the left side, and her bill was $277. That's the right side of the equation. So to write the equation, we have 30x plus $7 is equal to $277. Now we're going to solve the equation. 30x plus 7 equals 277. Draw a line down your equal sign. This is a two-step equation. In order to get rid of the plus 7, I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides. This cancels. I'm left with 30x is equal to 270. This is 30 times x. So to get rid of the 30, I'm going to divide both sides by 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1, so we've got 1x is equal to 270 divided by 30 is 9. So x equals 9. Now, the last step is to write a sentence to answer the question. The question said right here, for how many days did she rent the car? So we're going to answer the question with a sentence. Angela rented the car for 9 days. That's how you answer the sentence answer the question with a sentence. Angela rented the car for 9 days. Now, you have successfully answered a word problem and translated it in order to problem solve with an equation. Now, today you're going to take a quiz, so would you please clean off your desk and get ready to take that quiz. Your quiz will be found on Google Classroom under classwork. Thank you so much, good luck, and have a great day.